Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have this big new box of fidgets and I'm going to be opening for you guys. So let's get into it. There's so much fidgets! Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to close my eyes and then I'm just going to randomly pick one out. Just one by one and show it. Open it and show it. So let's do it. Okay, so first I'm going to close my eyes. Okay. Whoa, I got a mesh ball. Oh my gosh, I love mesh balls. Okay, let's open it. Whoa, this is so cool. And it has Orbeez inside. So the first fidget is an Orbeez stress ball. Whoa! Alright, wow, this is so cool. Alright, so let's move on to another fidget now. Okay, so I'm going to put all the fidgets that I opened in a big pile. So let's do it. Okay. Oh, it's a wacky track! I don't have this color. I have a pink and green wacky track. But I don't have an orange and blue rocky track. This is so cool. Okay, I'm just gonna make a cool design out of it. I'm just gonna make it kind of like a zigzag design, kind of. This is what I do with my other zigzag, or with my other wacky track. Sweet. Okay, let's put it in the pile. All right. It's marble meshes. Wow, okay, so there's blue, pink, and green. Okay, let's open them up. I love these three colors. Okay, so first I got pink, green, and last but not least, my favorite color, blue. I love all these three colors, so and they're really satisfying. I actually really like marble meshes. And you can do this with them. Ooh. It's really cool. Just squish them in and then shake it. You can feel the marble moving around. So yeah. And once we get through all the fidgets, comment down below if you have any of these fidgets. I don't know. Okay. It's another marble mesh. Wow, I wonder if there's any more in here. I don't know what, but I already, this is my second one. Okay, let's try it out. Oh, guys, it's color changing. I don't have a color changing one. This is so cool. It goes to blue to purple. That's so cool. Wow, I really like it. Wow. It's a little bit harder to squish than this one. But I still really like it. And it's my favorite color. Okay. It's monkey noodles! I don't have any sort of monkey noodles. Okay, let's open them. I mean, I have textured animal monkey noodles, but I don't have these plain ones. Whoa! Okay, so let's see what we got here. So we got green, pink, blue, purple, yellow, and orange. Wow, these are so cool. I can just whack my dad with it. Woo! Or it could be like a cowgirl when I'm trying to lasso a like an animal thing. Like, woo! Wow, these are so cool. Comment down below if you have any of these fidgets so far. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. Okay. It's putty? Okay, guys, I don't really want to open it right now because it might get all over the place, and I don't know if it's sticky or not. And it has plastic on it, and I don't want the scissors to open it. So, and it even has like little stickers in it. You see that? Wow, that's so cool. perfect for Easter. Because Easter is tomorrow. Yeah. Or for me, it's Easter tomorrow. Yeah. It's a mochi! And it's a little stud. Okay. I love mochis. I have so much of them. But still, I love them. Okay. Oh, it's so cute. And it has a little smiley face on it. That's awesome. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Oh, I got two. I'm gonna drop one. Wait. Oh my gosh, now it's a little pig mochi. Okay, we're getting close to the bottom, and there's a box. I have to open it. I'll save that. I'll save it for last. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so cute and precious. So cute. I don't have one. I don't have a pig mochi yet. Oh, okay, let's go on to the next one. Now it's an elephant mochi. Guys, I love mochis. They're so cute. Especially the animal ones. I just love the animal mochis. Look, it's a little elephant. I have an elephant, but it's like a blue elephant. And I also have a sun, but it's different. So cute. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's a bike chain. I don't have a bike chain, but a lot of people don't like bike chains. But I don't think, it's kind of cool. I kind of like it. And it's my favorite color, blue. Wow, I really like it actually. It's not too bad. I don't really know how to properly, okay. Wait, it's not moving anywhere anymore. What did I do? Okay. Oh, no, I don't know if I fixed it, but yeah, this is a blue bike chain. Alright, let's move on. Alright, guys, look, we're getting really close to the bottom of the fidgets. Alright, let's move on. Oh my gosh, it's a mini green hexagon? Yeah, hexagon poppet. Or pentagon. I get them mixed up. Don't judge me. Alright, let's listen to the pops. Wait, no, that's the hard side. We need the easy side. Okay. Ooh, I like it. Wow, and I don't have a green mini poppet, so it's awesome. Alright. Oh, it's a galaxy putty. Whoa! Like I said, there's plastic on it, so I'm not gonna open it, and I don't know if it's sticky. So, wow, this is cool. But maybe I'll open it in another video. Just stay tuned. Wow, I really like it. All right. Okay. We're getting close to the bottom. Oh, it's a bunny mochi. Okay. Let's open it up. Let's open them up like this. Oh, and it even has little bunny ears. This is perfect for Easter. So cute. I love it so much. I just love animals. Okay. It's another stress ball. But I think, yeah, it's a Nito. You have to open it. Whoa. It's color changing. Oh, and it kind of feels like slime inside of it. So when you squish it down, it moves all the way back up. That's so cool. Wow. I really like it. Feels different. Wow. All right, let's move on. All right, so we got 3 more things left. So let's open it. All right. Something just popped up. Okay. Oh, it's a pea popper. I don't have a pea popper. I know the name of it, but I don't have one. Just come on. Let me open it. I just opened it. I don't know what right back. Okay. Oh, let me open it. Okay. Oh, it's so cute. Wait, does this one have faces? It doesn't have faces. Oh, wait, it does. Wait. Oh, just the middle does. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really cute. I really like it. All right. Now I'm just gonna look. Okay. So we have the Rubik's Cube. Just a plain old Rubik's Cube. I don't want to mess it up. Okay, I'm not gonna use it right now, but Rubik's Cube. Just plain old Rubik's Cube. All right. Now we have a box. Ooh. Alright. So you can already, I don't know what it is, but you can kind of see it. I can't tell what it is. So let's open it. Oh guys, it's a little timer. Let's try it out. And it's pink and blue, my favorite two colors. Whoa, that's so cool. Wow, I really like this. Wow, that's cool. And it like spins like these two. Nice. Alright, well, if you guys enjoyed this video, just give it a like and smash that subscribe button. And see you next time. Bye-bye.